welcome, welcome.
Thank you, thank you.
I haven't seen you for 6 months. How are you doing?
wuxuu dhahay 6 months muku arkin sida baatay hooyo waxa ku dhahdaa waa fiicanahay. She's good.
Oh, that's fantastic. That's really great to hear. What brings you in today?
maanta maxaa joogtaa? Maanta maxaa u joogaa? Waxaa ku dhahdaa hooyo ruuxaana igu soo booday. ruuxaana igu soo booday waxaa ku dhahdaa waxaa arkaa dad iyo waxa igu dhex jiro dhabarku iga galay inta meelaha lagu iga galay ruuxaana igu soo booday. I think she's saying something or some bodies inside her, in her back, in her legs. They're people. Dad ku dhex jiro? Ha, ruuxaan ma kasaysid? She said something. Ruuxaan, there are people inside her. Ruuxaan wax dadka ku boodo waay. They jump in her. Jiro waay. It's the sickness. You ruuxaan. You know ruuxaan?
So, what do you mean there's people inside? I mean, I don't understand when she says there's people inside her. I mean, is it like something that happens every day? Is it something is it continuous every once in a while? How often?
سؤال بدنا نقوله can you repeat that again, the first part?
Yeah, I mean, how often does she get? Because I've never seen a case like, I've never seen like an incident like this where someone comes to the doctor and says, I have things inside me. I mean, so I'm trying to get a feel of, maybe it could be some sort of a chronic illness or something that's that can be treated with medicine. So I'm trying to figure out how often does she get this?
meeqasha ku dhaca maxay u dhacaa dadka ku galayo ruuxaantu way igu soo booday way igishay haye laakiin meeqasha markaan socdo oo meelaha marmaro oo iska socdo badada arkaa ma waxa arkaa dad wax iidi taagna arkaa hooyo way igu soo booday ruuxaantu mise laba jeer waa igu jiraa I think ruuxaana igu jirto, you know ruuxaan is in here at all times.
Huh?
One day just jumped in her at all times.
It continues.
Three days ago.
So let me write that. How do you spell that?
Spell what?
What's the word? Roll.
Ruuxaan.
Can you spell that for me?
Waa ruux. Han.
Okay, Roxanne.
Ruuxaanta.
Let me Roxanne. Okay.
Roxanne.
So Roxanne, let me say, okay, all times.
It's both. Ugu soo booda. It does jumping jacks. What
Jumping jacks.
You know Ruuxaan? You don't know Ruuxaan? Ruuxaanta.
I'm trying to get a few.
Waa ligu jiraa.
Okay, so I have that noted. I'd like to know if there's anything else bothering you. Is there anything else wrong?
wax kaleeto qalb mukaaya wax qalad ma imiga ruuxaanta wax kaleeto ma jirtaa haa waraabo waa qabaa waraabo baa qabtaa haa waraabo she has big cats like hyenas haa waraabo waraabo waa qabaa
She has a hyena?
She has it. She says she's a hyena.
Let me note that. So she says
I have whatever. You know whatever?
She has a hyena.
Whatever. Yeah. Whatever a hyena. Yes, whatever.
Okay, let me write that down. So there's hyena inside her, outside her, bothering her. Is she seeing visions? Is she seeing visions of hyenas?
Muku dahshira, banat maku arta, muku hilota. waraabo qaba waligay waa haysta waraabo marka dhashay waraabo waa lagu sheegay Soomaalida waxay u sheegeen waraabo waa qabta waraabo waa qaba. She was told when she was born that she has hyenas.
So she has hyena. Okay.
She was born, it came with her. Waraabo waa lagu dhashaa waraabo.
Okay.
Way qabta ayada taba qabta waraabo. Why I don't have hyenas? What are you talking about? She have waraabo. You know waraabo? The waraabo?
No, Fadumo, I don't know what hyena or what's the word for it?